we go, first run on the new setup. Got it set on 17 pound wastegate. See how it goes. Racing the Tirana. Looked at me logs, 17 pound flat the whole way. Fuel trims are good, 25-30. I'm going to leave it on 17 pound anyway because it's fun. And, see, going against a new Supra. It's I'm pretty sure it's stock. He said it's just got an exhaust, and I'm on 17 pounds, so see how we go. He said go hard on him, so. Here we go. Got this R34 GTST. I think it's got a small Garrett on it. Got him next. Oh, here we go. Still on 17 pound. Nice and fun. The logs look good as. I'm not stressed about the engine blowing up. Oh, here we go. Car's going good as. Second or third run. Still on 17 pound. Probably won't turn it up until someone beats me, I suppose. Just drive back each lap real slow just to cool the car down. Only going about 30k, so it's nice and cool each run. Let's get some more races. Got this 180 next. It's nice and clean. Still got an SR in it. See how it goes. Bit slow to line up. Oops. See how the SR power goes. Engine cover, she melted, forgot to move. Fix it. Just went in for a 15-minute break, still on 17 pound. See, I just had to check for stuff burning and stuff, and I found the engine cover was burnt, so I took it off. So I'm out to have a bit more fun. Still on low boost, but still good as. Got the Supra again. Might give me a bit of a head start. Let's go. Mustang next. Raced it last year, it was pretty quick. I think it beat me once or twice and then I got him. See what happens. Still on 17 pounds, so I don't know if I'll be able to beat this guy. I think his is about 600 horsepower. So. If I get beaten by him, I'm putting the boost up. Let's go. Wastegate spring, I'm going to 28 pound. Just on the way back after that race, I flicked it over to map 7, which is 28 pound. First, I should really go up 23, 25, 26 pound, but anyway, I'll have a crack and see what the, should know the boost. The fuel should be set from last time still, but yeah, this will be interesting. Got a Barra ute next, got no idea what, haven't even seen it run. Like it was too much fuel and it was bogging. Just had a look at the logs and it kept having throttle closures because it was hitting it was trying to hit 30 pound of boost. So as soon as it goes over a few pound, it was trying to cut it back. So I've pulled the duty down a bit and then hopefully it stays on around 28 pound now. Got this Tirana again. Hopefully the boost stays down a bit this time. Come on, stay on boost. Stay down boost. Let's go. But he's on the other side, so I'll try and give you some commentary. Alright, trying to go 40 k's. Beside me, there we go. Was the highest. I tried to turn it down to 28, flat curve then. Anyway, I've beat the Tirana by a bit. Got to race this Volkswagen because he's trying to go in the lower class or something. But apparently it runs 10, so. Crazy. Got him. But this is eliminations now. It's going against this RB30. It's got a 3584 RS on it. Makes about the same power or more than mine. And it's pretty much 50-50 each time we race. So It'd be a good one. Definitely running rough. Spewing. Good race though. You can hear it's missing. Listen to this. Definitely in limp mode. Have to check the logs. So these are the logs for tonight. Just these top two. There's all the other ones from the other race and I've had. This is it's about 10 or 15 runs in this one. So I started the night. It's the first one on £17. It's the first run. Pretty much flat 7. I think I changed gears, that's why it's got this bit of a bump there. The fuel's pretty good, the trims, AFRs. This runs about 12.2 or 12.3 there. So I did a few runs, £17 as you can see. 17.9 at 6,000, so holds it pretty flat anyway. The fuel's good, high pressure, low pressure's fine, AFR's fine. Did a few on 17. You can see fuel, trims, everything's nice. See gear change there, first into second. And this is when I raced that Mustang and I got beaten, so I pumped up the boost. It's supposed to be on £28, but it shot straight up to 30. I think once it reached, it's like it reached 26 and started having throttle closures. It's pretty much what happened all night. I don't know why still. I'll have to have a look at these tomorrow, but pretty much all the runs are around £30, 34 peak sometimes. There's another one. It's a gear change right here. That's it, starting in first and then change to second. So that run I got up to 31 point, nearly 32, but £31. This is better here. This is in first gear, 28. That's sort of what I want. But then shot up in the 31s again. So that's from them logs. I've got a few more. Pretty much one more. This is the last run when I hit limp mode. Boost didn't even get that high, so it's 25 pounds and it's got big throttle closures. I've got to see what's going on there. Hit second gear, straight to 30 pound again. Throttle closures. So I've got to get this on the dyno. Overall, I can't tell the difference between having the log manifold and the stock manifold. It just pulls instantly and smokes the tyres. That's it. Hopefully put it on the dyno next week or so. Rebook in. See how much power it makes.